Okay, so we're just basically gonna talk, and I just want you to answer the questions, okay? But if tell me if you think in Spanish or English, which one do you think in when you're talking the most?
English.
English, because most of your friends are English. Okay. And then what happens if I say something in Spanish?
Mm,
Hi, ¿qué tal? Buenas. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien. Me llamo Federico.
¿Cómo está?
Estaba aquí de un maestro, nada más, de hablar con su niño, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Sí, mucho gusto.
Sí.
Ok, aquí estamos hablando, nada más que queremos ver cómo está pensando de las matemáticas.
Ok.
Y no queremos saber si es mal o correcto, nada más cómo está pensando.
Ok.
Y lo voy a, pues aquí con el, así, abogado, ¿no?
Ok, muy bien.
Ok, alright. So then, and I'm sorry, what was your name again?
Anthony.
Anthony. Okay, Anthony. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Okay, he says they're sitting. Alright, so just tell me how many. What do you think this problem is if I asked you to answer the problem? Can you make a problem from it? Because you know math and you know multiplication and you know adding, right? So there's two ways or different.
Two times 4.
Yeah, 2 times 4. And what would the answer be?
8.
8. Oh, good. So how did you come up with that answer?
There was two dots here, so I thought of 2, and then there was 4 dots right here, so I thought of 4, and I just multiplied.
And then you remember the answer because of you memorized. All right, really good. Okay. Now, what's is there another problem that you can do from here?
4 divided 2.
Oh yeah, yeah. And then the answer would be
8.
4 divided by 2. Yeah. And so, how did you come up with that answer? If you
I counted the 4 and divided it by the 2.
Okay. And what's the answer for that again?
8.
8. 4 divided by 2. Okay. And is there another one? There's a lot of them, right? 4 plus 2, right? And what would the answer for that be?
6.
6. And how did you come up with that answer? Did you add them or you just knew it?
I decided.
You decided. Good. Good. And then what's the last one? Subtraction, right? And so what's 4 minus 2?
2.
2. And that one you just know, right? Because you're smart. Okay. Now what about this one? This is just basically, what is this number? What do you think this number is?
8.
8, right? And you saw that real quick, right? Because you just counted. Okay. And this one, same thing. What do you think this is?
4 times 4 equals 16.
Mm-hmm. And that's because you memorized it or because you thought 4, 4, 4, 4?
Memorize it.
Memorize it. So then what's 4 times 5?
20.
You can do it. So you could, what's 4 times 12?
There's 60.
Huh?
60.
60. Wow. So you know memorize everything. I think 4 times 12 is 48.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Well, good. So we know what this number is.
4.
4.
3.
Can you come up with a problem for this one? Because you only see 3, right? What problem can you come up with?
3 times 3.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Is there a number here that we don't see? And if you think of all the numbers, is there a number here that you don't see?
4.
Oh, it's you thinking going up. A ver. Otro número.
0.
0. Oh, great. Because why?
0 equals nothing.
Equals nothing, right? Yeah. And then do you see nothing here? Except you see that. Very good. All right. Now this one is lost the tape. This one, can you add those 2 lines and not the middle?
6.
6, right? And were you counting the dots, or can you tell right off the bat?
I can
Right? Because you know 3 plus 3, right? It's easy. What's this one? Give me some equations for this one.
3 plus 3 equals 6.
Mm-hmm.
3 divided by 3 equals 6.
Okay.
3 times 3 equals 9, and 3 times subtract 3 equals 0.
You're real good. So, and do you think you know that by memory, or you know that because you know how it works? What makes you know the answers?
Memory.
Memory, very good. So then, when does it get hard for you? You know. Okay. So this one, what's that?
4.
And then if you add with the middle part,
5.
5. And then if you multiply it times 5,
20. Wait, 25?
there you go. And that's because of memory. All right. Now this one, does it look? What's that?
6.
6. When I change it like that, doesn't it look different? No, like that. Why doesn't it look different?
Because you're just turning it.
You just-
Yeah. They're all the same.
They're all the same. All the same. Right. Do you know the number line yet? The number line? You do. Is this less than or equals to? Less than, equals to, or more than? And it goes like that. Do you remember?
More than
More than. Because it's going where?
this way.
And then what's over here? So let's say the 0 is right here, right? And if the 0 is right here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then -1, -2, -3. But this is more than. Yeah. Okay. Now this one. Do you know what? Let's see. You're in 4th grade. Have you heard of distribution? Not yet. Okay. So then let's 4 plus 1 plus 4.
9.
And why? How did you know that?
Because 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 1 more is 9.
And did you right away count it very quickly, or you just knew?
I just did.
You just knew. Real good. How about this one?
5.
5. And give me 5 times 5.
25.
And again, it's because you memorized it? Okay. Now this is real simple, right? But this one can be added to everything, right? Just like all of them. Okay. Now this one, real quick, what's the answer? What is
9.
it? How did you figure this one out?
I multiplied. I counted the bottom and then the ones on the side and I multiplied.
Can you multiply it? Oh, wow. So you know how to multiply and still, even though you memorize it, you know how to use it, right? So then it's 3, 6, 9, like that. Really good. Now what's this times this?
18.
18. So that's because it's 9 times 2. Wow, really good. Too smart. Making my job easy. Okay, what's this? Let's add these up together.
6 times 4.
Okay, and then what if? Oh, 6 times 4. You want to add? You want to multiply? What is it?
6 times 4 is 24.
You got it. And now what if you add them?
10.
10. Now you didn't look at this to add them, right? You just thought in your head because you know. And this is my favorite number.
10.
And another one.
5 times 5
Yep.
equals 25.
All right. Too smart. And then this one.
6.
All right. Now, how would you turn this into an equation if you wanted to add?
6 plus 5 equals 11.
And why did you think 5?
I don't know, I just thought.
You just thought because of this number here, the one previous. Okay. All right. Look at this one. Let's multiply. How would you multiply this?
3 times 3 equals 9.
And what's 3 times 3 times 3? Or 3, 6, 9?
I multiplied 3 times 3.
Okay, cool. And that's it. All right.